The Sinairyu Car AI Box wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto, available on Aliexpress, is a game-changer in this regard. Packed with features designed to enhance convenience, safety, and entertainment, this innovative device promises to transform your driving experience. Let's explore what sets this product apart. Mirror your smartphone screen to access apps and content directly on your car's display. Whether you need to view maps, messages, or multimedia content, mirror linking ensures seamless integration between your smartphone and your vehicle. Stay focused on the road ahead with Siri voice control, enabling hands-free operation of your device. Use voice commands to make calls, send messages, or access apps, ensuring safety without compromising convenience. Enjoy offline videos and audio by playing media files from a USB flash drive. Additionally, stream HD videos online using AirPlay or Android mirror linking, ensuring a diverse range of entertainment options to suit your preferences. Wireless and wired CarPlay compatibility for added convenience. Plug-and-play installation ensures easy setup without compatibility concerns. Retain control using your car's original steering wheel buttons for a seamless user experience. Prioritize safety with Siri voice control, enabling hands-free operation while driving. Customize your order by providing your car's production year and a picture of the OEM system software version number for confirmation. The Sinairyu Car AI Box wireless Apple CarPlay Android Auto is a must-have accessory for modern drivers seeking to enhance their driving experience. With its array of features, seamless integration, and commitment to safety, this device offers unparalleled convenience and entertainment on the road. Upgrade your car's infotainment system today and embark on a journey of enhanced connectivity and enjoyment.